If your Ford Maverick keeps dropping Apple CarPlay mid-drive, you are not alone, and the fix is usually simpler than you think. Data shows that nearly 85% of connection drops are caused by using non-certified or worn-out charging cables. Let's walk through the troubleshooting steps to get your screen back to normal. Start with a soft reset of the sync system by holding the power and seek right buttons for 10 seconds. Ensure your iPhone is configured to allow CarPlay while locked to prevent security timeouts from killing the link. Pocket lint in your phone's port is a common culprit for intermittent data loss during vibrations. Wired drops are usually hardware-based, while wireless issues often stem from local signal interference. Nearly half of all Maverick owners resolve their issues with a simple system soft reset. If all else fails, forget the connection on both devices and perform a clean master reset. If the disconnects persist across multiple phones and cables, your APIM module might need a dealer replacement. Keeping your Maverick connected to home Wi-Fi for automatic updates can prevent these bugs from returning. Stay safe on the road, and hopefully, your Maverick's infotainment is now rock solid.